girl Francine, aka Mitchie Boo.
And them call me the Jamaican Aliberry. My name is Raquel Russell. Coming to you live from which part?
Kingston, Jamaica, down at Kingston Harbour.
And what them call it sometimes the Waterfront. When last time I come down here, so I take the responsibility for show you how Kingston Harbour look right now. Take it away. Take it to them. Boom blast.
Catch official. Watch it in a car, I want to see them thing here.
People. She don't have a clue what she do. She help the man fish. And why you look on this, you have to comment, you know, because a foolishness she do. Check it out.
A few moments later.
So much fish you catch from this.
We don't know yet. I carry it up.
So them name off all the bait. Hey, people. She have the line in there. Them name off the bait long time and she still have the hook down there, poor soul. You need to like, subscribe and get her out of the thing and teach her how to do fishing. See it, yeah?
Me not give up, you know. Me not give up. Come here, let me listen to it.
Oh, you can listen to it. No feel it, no feel it.
Don't listen to it, you can't hear it. You're feeling right at there. Yeah, I feel all over jerk, but me not doing very right jerk.
No, sir. No. Yes. Pull it up.
Are you listening now? Something big.
Yeah. See it there?
Huh? A piece of leaf. Milkshake, I think, nice,
Oreo one is a hit.
Oreo.
Yeah. Well, the coffee base.
Alright, give me the strawberry banana. Smoothie, medium.
Okay.
Why? The coffee milkshake.
Yeah,
I'm gonna no, I'm gonna take the coffee and then we're gonna work with a black forest scape on the side with a nice water. That would feel fun.
Alright, no problem. And it's medium size, right?
Medium size, yes.
Okay.
If you feel like you want to put something else on it, I don't know.
With that brown coat skin, and she'll go like she want to go and you feel like tea. Good to go.
And that will happen when you go a nice clean place. If you want nice clean place, you pay nice clean money. Look at you. People. What? She better check if I counterfeit. Sorry. Sorry, miss. Sorry. Raquel, this bud.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
And this you get when you come a nice clean place down a town.
Straight down a Kingston.
So here when you never complain about the money again down. You what in a true? It's mad. You work hard so you play hard, eh?
Yeah, that's it. You're that someone that they have.
No, me not laugh. Me not laugh. Seriously, me not laugh. Alright.
Small.
I'm over. Ladies, thank you very much to get your tea. Movement. Thank you very much. Cheers to that. What's your name, honey? April.
Like in a March.